there, my name is Sevaram Spronk and I am a Kundalini Yoga and meditation teacher, as well as a life coach for women. And today I would like to teach you a very simple and very effective technique to help you manage your energy. This is called right nostril breathing. So we use that technique whenever we want to feel energized, whenever we want to feel uplifted, whenever we need to perk up. And it's really easy to do. Only 3 minutes or sometimes even less will already give you results. So cover your left nostril with either your thumb or your index finger and begin breathing, inhaling and exhaling through the right nostril only. Let's try this for 3 minutes. I am starting the timer. Cover your left nostril, inhaling and exhaling through your right nostril only. And as you are breathing, I'm going to tell you about what this technique does for you. Other than bringing your energy up and energizing your entire system, you are connecting with your left brain hemisphere, which gives you access to analytical thinking, linear thinking, and it also gives you more of a command over the masculine part of your being. This breath is gently warming and it connects you to the sun energy. And the best thing about it is that you can do it anywhere at any time. You can stand in line or sit on a bus and do this. You can do this in the afternoon when your energy is lagging and you need that cup of coffee, but you can't get it at the moment. You can do it anytime you want. It doesn't cost you anything. There is no side effects to this. And the best part, this breathing technique, your breath always goes with you. So continue. You're halfway there. Make your breath as long and as slow as you can. One more minute to go. And now remove your left hand. Inhale through both of the nostrils deeply. Suspend your breath in your body. Hold it with no tension. Exhale and release. Just take a moment. Notice what has changed during this micro practice. 3 minutes is enough. 3 minutes is better than no minutes. If you don't have time for 15 minutes, do just 3 minutes and it will do the trick. Deeply inhale. Exhale. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Have a beautiful day. Sat Nam.